Have you ever looked up at the stars and dreamt of touching them? For one young girl from Karnal, India, that dream wasn't just a fleeting thought. It was a destiny she would chase across continents and into the vastness of space. This is the incredible story of Kalpana Chawla, the first woman of Indian origin to fly to space. Our story begins in a small town in India where a little girl named Kalpana was fascinated by airplanes. While other kids played with dolls and cars, Kalpana was mesmerized by the flying machines that soared above her home. She would beg her father to take her to the local flying club just to watch them take off and land. This early fascination wasn't just a childhood hobby. It was the spark that ignited a lifelong passion for flight. In a time and place where girls were often encouraged to pursue more traditional paths, Kalpana was determined to study the sky. She knew exactly what she wanted to do: become a flight engineer. This dream was not an easy one to follow. When she announced her intention to study aeronautical engineering, she faced resistance. It was an unconventional choice for a young woman in the 1970s. But Kalpana's determination was unshakable. She enrolled in the Punjab Engineering College, where she was the only woman in her aeronautical engineering class. She excelled, proving that passion and dedication know no gender. After graduating, she set her sights even higher across the ocean, to the United States, the heartland of aerospace innovation. In 1982, Kalpana moved to the U.S. to pursue her master's degree at the University of Texas at Arlington. Her journey was far from over. She went on to earn a PhD in aerospace engineering from the University of Colorado Boulder in 1988. During these years, she wasn't just studying, she was living and breathing aviation. She earned her pilot's license for airplanes and gliders, and even became a certified flight instructor. Every step she took was a step closer to the stars. After completing her PhD, Kalpana began working at NASA's Ames Research Center. Her work on complex fluid dynamics was highly specialized and respected, but her ultimate dream was still waiting. In 1994, that dream came knocking. After a rigorous selection and training process, NASA selected Kalpana Chawla as an astronaut candidate. Can you imagine that moment? The culmination of a lifetime of work, of defying expectations, of chasing a dream that started with watching planes in a small Indian town. She had been chosen to join the elite corps of people who would journey beyond Earth's atmosphere. Her training was intense, preparing her for the physical and mental challenges of space. After her successful first mission, Kalpana returned to Earth a hero, not just in India, but around the world. She was a symbol of what could be achieved with perseverance. She continued her work at NASA, contributing to technical roles within the astronaut office. Her expertise and calm demeanor made her a highly valued member of the team. So, it was no surprise when she was selected for a second spin. In 2003, she was assigned to the crew of STS-107, once again aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. This was a dedicated science mission, and Kalpana, along with her 6 crewmates, worked around the clock conducting over 80 experiments. They studied everything from astronaut health to the effects of microgravity on various materials. For 16 days, Columbia was their home and their laboratory, a beacon of human curiosity orbiting our planet. The mission was a resounding success, and the crew was ready to come home. On February 1st, 2003, the world watched as Columbia began its re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. But something went terribly wrong. During launch, a piece of foam insulation had broken off and struck the shuttle's left wing, creating a hole. As the shuttle blazed through the atmosphere, superheated gases entered the wing, causing it to break apart. Tragically, the Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated over Texas, just minutes before its scheduled landing. Kalpana Chawla and her 6 crewmates were lost. The news sent shockwaves of grief across the globe. A mission of science and discovery had ended in tragedy. The world mourned the loss of 7 brave explorers who had dedicated their lives to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. But in the midst of this profound sadness, Kalpana Chawla's story did not end. Her legacy was just beginning. Posthumously, she was awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Flight Medal, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. But her true legacy isn't just in the medals and accolades. It's in the millions of young people, especially young girls, she proved that your origins do not define your destination. She showed that with passion, hard work, and an unwavering belief in your dreams, anything is possible. Streets, universities, and even a supercomputer have been named in her honor. NASA named an asteroid after her, and a commercial cargo spacecraft heading to the International Space Station was named the SS Kalpana Chawla. Her name is literally written in the stars she so loved. Kalpana Chawla's journey from Karnal to the cosmos is a powerful testament to the human spirit. She once said in a message to students in India, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it." She didn't just speak those words, she lived them. She was a pioneer, an explorer, and an inspiration. Her life was a reminder that our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. She may have left us too soon, but her star will forever shine brightly, guiding the next generation of dreamers to look up and reach for their own piece of the sky. Thank you for watching. If you were inspired by Kalpana's story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories of incredible individuals who changed the world.